Good morning, students. Welcome. Today we are going to discuss with you chapter number 5, Environment and its Conservations. So here the first question is, Rohan is suffering from jaundice. What could be the possible reason for his? Okay, Rohan is suffering from jaundice, and what would be the possible reason for this? Here there are 4 options. He played in polluted soil, he drank polluted water, he breathed polluted air, and all of this. Here the right answer will be option B. Okay, he drank polluted water. Next question, runoff water from nearby crop fields enters a small lake. How will it affect the lake? How will it affect the lake? Here the right answer will be option B. It will cause this. It will cause algae to grow in the lake. Next, by which of the following ways can we reuse water? Number A option. There are 4 options. Use water that is drained out from the washing machine to wash the vegetables. Use water collected from rain to cook. Collect water from leaking taps to water plants, and both A and B. Here the right answer is option C. That is collect water from leaking tap to water plants. Okay. Next question. Suhani set up the experiment as shown in the given figure. She heated 800 ml of water in flux P until it is completely evaporated. The amount of water collected in flux Q will be about dash. Here there are 4 options: 400 ml, 750 ml, 800 ml, and 700 ml. Here the right answer will be option C, that is 800 ml. Okay. Next, which of the things listed below are non-biodegradable? Okay, non-biodegradable. Here the right answer will be option C. Okay, first see the options. First is A, that is 1 and 2. 1 means paper and plastic toys. Option B, number 3, 4 and 5, that is gold necklace. Okay, roasted apple and credit cards. And option C is 1, 3, 5 and 6. 1 is paper, 3 is gold necklace, 5 is credit card, and 6 is ceramic bowls. Okay, and last D is 1, 4 and 6. 1 is paper, 4 is roasted apple, and 6 is ceramic bowls. Okay, so here the right answer will be option C. That means 2, 3, 5 and 6. This will be the right answer. 2 means plastic toys, 3 means gold necklace, okay, 5 means credit card, and 6 means ceramic bowls. These things listed below, these are non-biodegradable things. Okay. Next questions. Select the incorrect match from the following: causes of soil erosion, methods of soil conservation. Okay, soil erosion and methods of soil conservation. Here the right answer will be option D, that is none of this. Next, which of the following will cause water pollution? Using excessive fertilizer in the field, using recycled wastewater for cleaning, throwing unwanted waste in rivers, and both A and B. Okay, so here the right answer will be option D. That means both A and B. using excessive fertilizer in the field, and using recycled wastewater for cleaning. Okay. Okay, next question is, read the following statements. Okay, number 1 is I am present in air. Number 2 is plants need me from the air for making food. Number 3 is I am released in the air when you breathe out. Okay, these are the three options, three statement. Okay, now these statements are regarding option A, carbon oxidized, okay, carbon dioxide, option B, nitrogen, option C, hydrogen, option D, oxygen. Okay, so here the right answer will be option A, that is carbon dioxide. Okay, option D, option A, carbon dioxide. This will be the right answer. Next question, in a village, a considerable increase in water pollution of the nearby lake was noticed as the farming activity intensified. What could be the reason for this? Okay, what could be the reason for this? Here the right answer will be option D, that is both A and C. So what will be the options A and C? That is use of chemicals to destroy weeds and pests. Option C is excessive use of nitrogen containing fertilizers. Okay, these two are the options. So here the right options will be option D, both A and C. Next question, which of the following is a cause of acid rain? Volcanic eruption, burning of fossil fuels, releasing of smoke from factories, and D, all of this. There are these four options. Okay, so the right answer will be option D, all of this. So volcanic eruptions, burning of fossil fuels, releasing of smoke from factories, these all options are right options. Okay, so this is the cause of acid rain. Then the right answer is option D, all of this. Next question, select the incorrect statement about global warming. Okay, global warming. Number 1, the average temperature of the earth's surface is gradually decreasing. Second option, carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide are responsible for global warming. Next, the average temperature of the sun's surface is gradually increasing. Okay, these three are the statement. So here the incorrect statement about global warming is, the answer will be option B. Option B, that means 1 and 3 only. 1 and 3. 1 and 3 means the average temperature of the earth's surface is gradually decreasing, and 3 means the average temperature of the sun's surface is gradually increasing. These three are. Okay. Next, Remit classified few things under two different categories as follows. Identify X and Y in the above classifications. Okay, see this: biodegradable, non-biodegradable, biotic, abiotic, non-biodegradable, biodegradable, abiotic, biotic. So here X is plants, microbes, animals, Y is soil, water, air. Okay, here the right option will be option B, biotic, abiotic. Option B. Next, the given diagram shows steps of the water cycle. So steps of the water cycle. So if O is the first step in the cycle, arrange the rest of the steps in the correct order of a water cycle. First see this picture. Okay, first see this picture. Next, Now arrange this. Okay, here the right answer will be option A. Option A, that means ONPM. ONPM. The steps, first step is O. Okay, second step is N, third is P, and fourth is M. Okay. Next, the Earth's atmosphere is made up of various gases. Which of the following best describes the compositions of atmosphere? Okay. Here the right option will be option number C. Option number C is the right answer. That means nitrogen is 78%, oxygen 21%, and other is 1%. Next question. Study the given table showing the bacterial count, oxygen level, and the number of green plants and animals in the river near each of 4 towns P, Q, R, and S. Which town is situated near an unpolluted river? Okay, see this town P, Q, R, S. See the bacterial count, oxygen level, number of green plants, number of animals. Okay, here the right option will be option number 15. That is D, means S. Okay, this. Next question. Depletion of ozone layer present in the upper atmosphere would result in option A is water pollutions, volcanic eruptions, soil erosion, increase in skin cancers. Okay. Here the right answer will be option D. Increase in skin cancer. Increase in skin cancer. Next question. Near the equator there is a region which receives heavy rains resulting in very humid conditions. The region is covered with dense forest having rich flora and wildlife with thousands of species. Which of the following region is being described here? Here the right answer will be option number B. Option number B, that means tropical rainforest. This will be the right answer. Next question. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Non-biodegradable household waste can decrease soil fertility. Planting of the trees can help in preventing soil erosion. Terrace farming helps in preventing landslides. Cutting down of trees in large number is called afforestation. Here the right answer, that means which statement is incorrect. Here the right options will be option D. Cutting down of trees in large number is called afforestation. Okay, afforestation. Next, match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. Column 1, column 2, air pollutions, okay, asthma, water pollutions, dysentery, water pollutions, barren land, and soil pollutions, acid rain. So in column 1 there are three options: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollutions, and in column 2 asthma, dysentery, barren lands, and acid rain. Here the right option will be option number C. This is the right answer, option C, that is A1 and 4, A1 and 4. Okay, that means in air pollution there are asthma and acid rain, and B is 2. Okay, water pollutions is dysentery, and C is 3, barren land. This is the right answer. Next question. the given pictures shows terrace farming. It helps in preventing landslides, reducing soil erosion by water, reducing soil erosion by deforestation, both A and B. Here the right answer will be option D. That means both A and B. Okay. A means preventing landslides and B is reducing soil erosion by water. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following is the best bioindicator of sulfur dioxide pollutions? Okay. Here the right options will be option number B. That is this. Okay, lesions. Next, how can toxic chemicals in the soil harm you? Here the right answer will be option B. Again option B. They are absorbed by food grown in the soil. Okay, option B. This will be the right answer. Next, which country has the highest air pollution level among all European Union countries? Here the right answer will be option D. Poland. Poland is the right answer here. Okay, so Poland has the highest air pollution level among all European Union countries. Next, study the given diagram. What can the bus driver do to reduce the pollution caused by his bus? Here the right answer will be option A. Send the bus for servicing more regularly. Okay, option A is the right answer. Send the bus for servicing for more regularly. Okay, for reduce the pollution caused by his bus. Next and last questions from this chapter. That is, art provides enough to satisfy every man's need but not every man's greed. Who stated this? Okay, art provides enough to satisfy every man's need but not every man's greed. Who stated this? Here the right answer will be option C. Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi stated that art provides enough to satisfy every man's needs but not every man's greed. Okay students, so this is these questions from chapter number 5, environment and its conservations. Okay, in our next class we discuss about chapter 6, language and literature. Okay, bye and thank you.